All right, folks, Poppy here, the inconsistent DIY guy, is back with another video, another project. Okay, so we're gonna turn this around and let you see what our project's gonna be today. All right, folks. All right, so the goal is we wanna put a nice edge on the sidewalk, driveway, it's not a sidewalk, dummy. And we want to make sure we clean it up a little bit with the grass overgrowing. Okay, so we already got this side almost worked on, and what tools we're using is that scraper and this big thing here. This thing here is really good because this is the exact size. I don't even know what it is. It's a gardening hoe or something, I don't know. And this creates a nice line and it makes it look neat. So, and the goal is to get this grass out of the cracks. Okay, make it look nicer, clean that stuff up. We're also going to do around here, around the sidewalk, and out by the street. So we'll see how this looks. So I did some research, and I'm going to go ahead and do the edging at least 2 to 3 inches away from all the concrete. I already started it. As you can see, I was using a 2x4 for a guide. Okay, and I'll do that all the way around all these edges, even curbside, and that'll take care of that. Then we'll see how it looks. All right, folks, I might have bit off more than I can chew. So looking at this driveway, and that's part of the project too, just cleaning this up. And actually, after I get all this grass and everything out of the cracks, I was gonna do that cement caulking and fill this in with some kind of cement. The truth of the matter is, we need a new driveway, okay? Because it keeps on cracking, and I keep on picking up bigger pieces and everything. But I don't want to spend money on a driveway right now. So my goal is to make this as clean as possible and to look as neat as possible. All right, folks, I broke this paint scraper thing that I've been using. It's just not working. It's not working out at all. It's taking too long. So we're gonna get rid of that. And we went to Lowe, so we got this spade, Corona, and it's already done a fantastic job so far. It's a lot more faster, and let's see what we can do with it. Alright, folks, we have finished the edging. It
didn't take that long. It was pretty good with that new spade that we got. It looks clean. I'm not as happy with it. It just doesn't look as tight as I've seen some of the neighbors and everything. But you know what? I don't care. It's all right. But this is going to be the end of the project, because in order to do the driveway like we initially planned, that's a whole new project. We still got to clean out the cracks, get the caulking, the cement caulking, the cement to patch that large area right there, and that'll be another project. And hope you like this video.
All right, folks, until the next inconsistent project that I do, I'll see you later. Measure once, cut multiple times.